Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Meross Smart Plug in 2026. Now, first of all, you need to plug your Meross Smart Plug directly into the wall outlet, and after that, you just have to simply check the LED indicator. If the plug is already configured, the light may stay solid green or solid red before resetting. Now, once you have done that, you just have to simply press and hold this particular power button for at least 5 to 10 seconds. Do not tap it quickly because a short press only turns the outlet on or off. You just have to long press it for at least 5 to 10 seconds or until you see the flashing green light or the amber light. So that flashing pattern confirms the plug has entered into the factory reset mode and the old Wi-Fi settings are now erased successfully. Now, if the light never starts flashing, you can just simply unplug the smart plug completely, and then you can just simply wait for 30 seconds and then you can plug it back again, and then you can again perform the reset process. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.